Have you ever wished for a secret adventure? In Shizuoka, Japan, there's a little red train that promises just that. It's not a bullet train, it's small, friendly, and moves slowly, inviting you to see everything. Stepping aboard feels like entering a storybook. The seats are soft, the windows wide, and excitement buzzes in the air. With a gentle chug, the train leaves the city behind, heading for the mountains. The air grows fresher, scented with trees and earth. Locals with baskets and wide-eyed travelers share the carriage, all sensing this is no ordinary trip. The world outside transforms. Houses shrink, roads vanish, and endless green forests appear. The train feels like a time machine, carrying you to a quieter, simpler place. You lean against the window, lulled by the gentle rocking, not wanting to miss a moment. The conductor, with a warm smile, points out hidden views and shares that this train has known these mountains for generations. It's more than a machine, it's your guide to a magical world. You feel lucky, ready for whatever marvels await. The journey is peaceful, like a secret you get to keep. The train climbs higher, the scenery growing wilder and more beautiful. Everyone on board seems to share a quiet joy, united by the adventure. The train's slow pace lets you soak in every detail. It's a ride that feels both personal and extraordinary. The landscape outside is a living painting, changing with every turn. You realize this is the start of a truly grand day out. The train hums along, promising more wonders ahead. And you're right where you're meant to be, aboard the dream train. Suddenly, through the trees, a breathtaking sight appears. A vast lake, shimmering emerald green under the sun. It glows as if lit from within, a jewel nestled in the mountains. The hills around it are thick with trees in every shade of green, their reflections painting a perfect mirror on the water. The scene is so still, it feels like a secret world. The train glides along the lake's edge, so close you feel you're floating above the water. Gentle ripples, smooth stones, and tumbling waterfalls add to the magic. The sound of water and birdsong fills the air. The lake's color shifts with the light, sparkling with diamonds in the sun, deepening to mystery under clouds. You try to capture it with a photo, but know the real magic is in the moment. This isn't just a view, it's an experience that fills you with wonder. The memory of this emerald lake is one you'll keep forever. The train moves on, but the image lingers in your heart. It's a masterpiece of nature hidden away in Japan's mountains. You feel grateful to witness it. This is a place you'll never forget. The little red train winds through ancient misty forests, sunlight dancing through the leaves. The air is cool and fresh, scented with pine and earth. Sometimes the train plunges into dark tunnels, only to burst out into new breathtaking views. Bridges high above forests, rivers rushing below. Crossing the lake on elegant bridges, you feel like you're flying, surrounded by emerald water and green mountains. The train moves slowly, giving you time to soak in the beauty. Inside, everyone is quiet, lost in wonder. An elderly couple holds hands. A child presses their face to the glass. The atmosphere is peaceful, serene, a true escape from the busy world. The gentle rocking, the views, the quiet, all combine for a calming, soul-soothing journey. Each moment feels special, like a gift. The train's rhythm matches the gentle pace of nature outside. You realize this ride is as much about the journey as the destination. It's a rare kind of peace. The train stops at tiny, charming stations, wooden platforms with flower pots and hand-painted signs. Locals greet the driver like an old friend, a woman with a basket of mushroom schoolchildren waving as they head home. Each stop is a glimpse of community spirit and simple kindness. The stations are full of delightful details cared for by the people who live here. You feel less like a tourist, more like a welcome guest. While the train waits, you breathe in mountain air, listen to birds, and watch the lake shimmer. The station master gives a friendly wave as you depart. These small moments make the journey rich and memorable. It's the people as much as the scenery that make this trip special. You carry their warmth with you as the train moves on. Magic is everywhere on this journey. Deer by the tracks, Mist swirling over the lake, sunlight turning water to gold. Sometimes you spot snow monkeys in the trees, watching the train with curious eyes. The forest feels alive, full of surprises and secret life. The lake's clear water reveals smooth stones and dancing patterns of light. Every detail shimmers with quiet enchantment. The world outside the window is always changing. Mist, sun, shadows, and sparkle. You realize this isn't just scenery. It's a living, breathing world. Each magical moment feels like a gift from nature. You just have to look closely to find it. The journey fills you with wonder, again and again. It's a reminder that magic can be found in the quietest places. As the train climbs deeper into the mountains, you discover a hidden Japan, far from cities and crowds. Small villages with old houses, neat gardens, and fluttering laundry appear through the trees. The only way here is by this little train or a boat across the lake. The isolation has preserved the area's beauty and traditions. You feel like an explorer, uncovering a secret world. This journey is about more than scenery. It's about connecting with the heart of Japan. You see the hard work of locals, their deep bond with nature, and their quiet pride. It's a personal, meaningful experience, one that whispers, not shouts. By the end, you feel privileged to have seen this gentle, magical side of Japan. It's a memory you'll treasure, and a place you'll want to return to. As the train reaches its final stop, you feel both happy and a little sad. The journey is ending, but the magic stays with you. The peace of the lake, the warmth of the people, the wonder of the ride, they're now part of you. This isn't just a train ride. It's an invitation to slow down, to see the world with new eyes. Imagine yourself in that seat, watching the emerald lake shine, meeting friendly faces, and collecting magical moments. This adventure is real. A secret world waiting for you in Shizuoka. If you ever dream of escape, remember the little red train. Your seat is waiting, and the enchanted lake is ready to share its secrets. All you have to do is climb aboard and let the journey begin. It's a proper grand day out.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.